All right, my fourth grade friends, please find the following charts in your syllabication book. Today you're going to use those two charts to play tic-tac-toe and connect four with a partner. So in the top chart, you're going to play connect four. Remember, when we play connect four, you cannot write on anyone else's board and you cannot move close to anybody else. So you will first play on one student's book on that page and on that board, and then you will play on another. For example, if I'm working with a partner, I might say the word inscribe. Since we are playing on my board, I would put my initials in the word or in the box with the word inscribe. My partner then would choose their word. Maybe their word is hopelessness. So then I would put my partner's initials in the box hopelessness on my book. We will play on my book until there is a winner or there are no more squares. Remember, in the top board, it is connect four. Once we play in my book and we finish, then we can play in my partner's book, where my partner would write my initials and their own. The bottom board, you can play tic-tac-toe. All right, moving on, we're going to do some word chaining. In word chaining, we are going to stay on this left side here. So Miss Hill will say a word, you'll write it in this top box. And then when I give you the next word, it will go in the next box. So in this first box here, the first word we're going to start with is mistake. Mistake. Please write mistake right here at the top. Our next word going in this second box is misplace. Misplace. In our third box here, we're going to write the word any place. Any place. And we are done with that word chain, so Mr. Muma can put it up on the board so you can make sure that you spelt those words correctly. All right, we're going to move on to a second word chain, so we're going to be on this other side here. And in that top box over here, we're going to write the word frosted. Frosted. She frosted the cake. Right up top here. In the second box, we're going to change frosted into frostbite. Frostbite. Frostbite is very dangerous. You got to be careful when you're outside. Frostbite. In the third box, we're going to put backbite. Backbite. It's a funny word there. Backbite. And finally, in the last box, we're going to put backspace. Backspace. As you guys finish up that word chain, Mr. Muma will put it up on the board so you can check your spelling. Moving on, today you're going to write a sentence with multisyllabic words in it. The sentence is, the black snake cascades down the mountain. The black snake cascades down the mountain. The black snake cascades down the mountain. And our last activity today is to read the passage, The Athlete. You will read it through once to your partner, and then your partner will read it back to you.